The KERDI waterproofing membrane provides comprehensive moisture management in bathtub surround applications. Here's how to install it. The bathtub has already been installed, followed by the solid backing. In this application, gypsum board is used on the walls, although other solid backing panels, such as tile backer boards, may be used instead. The solid backing has been installed over the tub deck and a 1/4 inch gap has been provided. Demonstration of the condition where the solid backing is installed flush with the lip of the tub will be done later in this video. If the KERDI board SN prefabricated shower niche will be incorporated in the application, consider installing the niche prior to KERDI installation. Please refer to the KERDI board SN shower niche within KERDI assembly video for details. KERDI band waterproofing strips, or 5-inch wide cut sections of the KERDI membrane, are sealed to the bathtub using KERDI Fix or other suitable sealant. The strips of membrane are easier to handle than full sheets of KERDI when performing this step. Measure and cut sections of KERDI band. After peeling back the protective plastic from the tub deck, painter's tape is placed around the bathtub where it meets the wall in order to protect the tub deck from subsequent sealant application. Completely fill the 1/4 inch wide gap between the solid backing and tub with KERDI Fix or other suitable sealant. The membrane is bonded to the walls using unmodified thin-set mortar. The mortar is mixed to a fairly fluid consistency, but still able to hold a notch. A 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notched trowel, or the KERDI trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design, is used to apply the mortar. Wipe down the walls with a damp sponge to remove any dust or other debris. For particularly dry and porous substrates, it is recommended to wet the substrate first in order to help prevent premature drying or skinning of the thin-set mortar. Apply unmodified thin-set mortar to the walls where the KERDI band will be placed. Apply a thin layer of mortar to the gypsum board with the flat side of the trowel to produce solid contact with the surface, and then comb additional mortar using the notch side of the trowel. Embed the KERDI band in the thin-set mortar and KERDI Fix using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall finishing knife to ensure full coverage and remove air pockets. Continue application of the KERDI band at all tub-to-wall junctions. If the solid backing is installed flush with the lip of the tub, the seal is created as follows. Apply KERDI Fix to the lip of the tub and spread using a notched trowel. Apply unmodified thin-set mortar to the walls where the KERDI band will be placed. Embed the KERDI band in the thin-set mortar and KERDI Fix. The next step is to install the KERDI waterproofing membrane over the walls. Apply a thin layer of unmodified thin-set mortar to the wall with the flat side of the trowel to produce solid contact with the surface, and then comb additional mortar using the notch side of the trowel. Embed the KERDI membrane into the thin-set mortar to ensure full coverage and remove air pockets. Overlap the previously installed KERDI band by 2 inches for a waterproof connection. The KERDI membrane application is continued on adjacent walls. Waterproof integrity is maintained at joints using a 2-inch wide overlap in conjunction with unmodified thin-set mortar. For example, KERDI sheets may be joined using 2-inch wide lap seams. Alternatively, KERDI sheets may be butted and covered with Schluter KERDI band waterproofing strips centered over the joint. Since KERDI band is 1/2 the thickness of the KERDI membrane, buildup at seams is minimized using this method. Lap seams are demonstrated on the back wall of the bathtub surround. A KERDI band seam is demonstrated at the inside wall corner between the back wall and the plumbing wall. KERDI band may be creased prior to installation to help maintain tight corners and make subsequent tile setting as easy as possible. Apply unmodified thin-set mortar to the area where the KERDI band is to be installed. Embed the KERDI band into the thin-set mortar. Apply unmodified thin-set mortar to the area where the Schluter KERDI seal prefabricated waterproofing accessories are to be installed. Place the seals and embed them into the mortar. Schluter KERDI Seal PS is used to seal protrusions through the KERDI membrane at the shower head and tub spout. Schluter KERDI Seal MV is used to protect moisture-sensitive solid backing such as gypsum board at the mixing valve. As an alternative, KERDI Fix or other suitable sealant can be used in these areas. Once the entire assembly is covered with the KERDI membrane, including seams, corners, and protrusions, the assembly is waterproof, vapor-tight, and ready for tile. If tile is to be set on floors adjacent to the bathtub surround, consider use of the Schluter Ditra uncoupling and waterproofing membrane, which can be sealed to the Schluter shower system to provide comprehensive waterproofing in the bathroom. More information is available in the Ditra Connection to Bathtub Surround video.